Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys Xiaomi phone setting guys. One by one guys, step by step guys, I will tell you guys. But in this video guys, we will talk about IMEI number. Guys, how can we check our IMEI number in our Xiaomi phone guys? In this video guys, I am going to show you in your phone setting guys, how can you check your IMEI number. So guys, now let's see how to check IMEI number. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to check your IMEI number. Then guys, you can see guys your about phone setting. So guys, click on about phone and guys scroll. Guys, click on this all spaces setting and guys scroll it. Guys, you can see your status. Tap here. Then guys scroll. Then guys, you can see your IMEI number SIM salt 1, IMEI number SIM salt 2 guys. So you can see your IMEI number in your Xiaomi phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to check IMEI number. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys, now we will return guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.